So let's say you have 500 millimeters of mercury. You want to convert it to atmospheres. To do that, you need a conversion factor. So the conversion factor we'll use here, 1 atmosphere, that equals 760 millimeters of mercury. So we just need to multiply our 500 millimeters of mercury times this conversion factor up here. Since we have millimeters of mercury on the top, we want to cancel that out. So we're going to put the 760 millimeters of mercury on the bottom. That way we should be left with atmospheres. There's our 760 millimeters of mercury, and then we'll put the 1 atmosphere up here in the numerator. So now when we multiply, millimeters of mercury on the top and the bottom, they're gone. We'll be left with atmospheres. So 500 divided by 760, that equals 0.6578. Let's call it 0.658. And the units, atmospheres, ATM, because that's the only unit that's left, and that's how we know we set it up correctly. It's Dr. B, converting 500 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.